Okay, first I'm going to create a Python file. I'll just call it HW. Come over here to New and do the pull down and select python.py. So now I've got a hw.py file, and I'm going to just say the usual. Print quote GLLO world. Okay. And now I'm going to run this thing. How do I run it? Well, I go back to Files, and I open up a terminal. And I run ls again. And I see hw.py. So I'll tell Python to run it. So I'm at the command prompt, python hw.py and return, and it ran. Okay, so that's running a file of type Python by directing Python to run it. As I say, you can also get into REPL mode, read, evaluate, print loop. And to do that, you just start out Python at the command line, python. And now you're in Python. And I say print quote oh, that L key keeps wanting to repeat. And it worked. And you can see from the prompt I'm getting the 3 chevrons that it's actually still in Python. I can get out of Python by saying exit. Okay, and now I'm back at the Linux command prompt. So those are the 2 kind of standard ways that you're likely to see Python run if you look in YouTube or wherever. I'm not going to run idle, of course. Okay, enough of this.